As a project administrator in BIM360, I also have the ability to create a new project and save this as a template. From the projects directory, select the Add button. Here we're going to give the name of template to this project. Under the project type, we're going to scroll to the bottom and select Template Project. Here we're going to now select Save and Continue. Once the project is created, it will automatically take us to the Project Services tab. Here we're going to activate the Document Management module. From the project template, we're now going to say Don't select a project template. From the next screen, we're going to create our own folder structure and permission set that we can then save as a project. Selecting the Activate button will now activate the project. BIM360 will also warn us that we're about to activate a project without a template. We're going to confirm this by selecting Activate without a template. You will now see BIM360 is beginning the process of activating the services. Once the services are activated, we can now make the project admin the module leader. From the list under the role drop-down, we can now select ML for module leader. Now we can begin the process of creating the folder structure required. From the module selector, select the document management module. Here we're going to create a folder structure within both plans and the project files environment. To create our folders and plans, select the three dots, then click Add Subfolder. Here we are going to create Group 1 and Group 2 submission folders. Simply add the required text, and once we're happy with the name, select the blue tick. Now repeat the process to add the second folder. Once we are happy, select the blue tick. Within the project files area, we're going to repeat a similar process. Again, selecting the three dots and adding a subfolder. Here we're going to add Group 1 and 2 Work in Progress folders. Once we have the correct name, select the blue tick. Repeat the process for Group 2. The final folder is a Module Resources folder within Project Files. Again, select the three dots and choose Add Subfolder. Select the blue tick to confirm. Once we have the folders created, we can now assign the required permissions. Selecting Group 1 within the Plans area, we can select the three dots and then choose the Permissions option. Here we're going to use role-based permissions to control the access. Selecting the Add button, then the drop-down, we can now add role-based permissions. If we type SG for Student Group 001, we can now select the role required. Then select the permission level. Selecting the drop-down, we can now choose the View, Download and Upload option. To confirm the permission, select Add. Selecting Group Submission 2, we can now click the Add button and again add role-based permissions as required. Again, the role I'm picking is SG002 and the permission level is again View, Download and Upload. Selecting Add will complete the permissions. Within Group 1 Work in Progress, again I want to add similar permissions. Selecting the Add drop-down and again choosing the SG001 for the role and the permission level to View, Download, Upload and Edit. Selecting Add will complete adding the permissions. Completing this for Group 2, again it's selecting the Add button, then selecting our role SG002 and again the permission level is View, Download, Upload and Edit. Complete this by selecting the Add button. For the Module Resources folder, we want to add a group and a role based upon Student All. Again, we select the role SA for Student All and selecting the permission level to View and Download. Again, we can select the Add button to complete adding the permission set. We have now successfully created the project, added a folder structure and configured the correct permissions. We can now use this project as a template moving forward.